Okay. Som Tum. Papaya Salad. I've eaten spicy food all over the world. I feel like I'm ready for the real deal here in Thailand.
แน่ใจนะเบนพริกที่นี่ไม่เหมือนที่อื่นนะ
Molly's asking if I'm sure that the chilies here are different. Pfft. A chili is a chili. I'll be fine. Watch the pro.
นิชาเอาเหมือนเดิมไหมลูกค่ะป้าเอาตำปูปลาร้าเผ็ดๆเลยนะคะ
The vendor knows Nicha. She just ordered Som Tum with crab and fermented fish sauce. And she said something at the end there. What was that?
นิชาสั่งเผ็ดๆก็คือเผ็ดมากๆ
Pit mak. Pit mak. It means very spicy. Molly says she ordered it. Very spicy. Okay. Okay. If Nicha can do it, I can do it. Game on!
แล้วคุณผู้ชายล่ะคะรับอะไรดี
She's asking me what I want. Okay. Deep breath. No fear.
เอาส้มตำไทยเอาส้มตำไทย
It means I'll have Thai Som Tum. I'll take the classic Thai Som Tum.
เอาเผ็ดไหม
เบนบอกเขาว่าเผ็ดน้อยก็ได้นะ
เผ็ดน้อยเผ็ดน้อย
It means a little spicy. She asked if I want it spicy. Molly is helpfully suggesting I say this. A little spicy. That sounds reasonable. But Nicha is watching. I can't back down now.
เผ็ดมากครับเผ็ดมากครับ
It means very spicy. Please. Nope. I said it. Very spicy. I am a champion.
เอาเผ็ดมากเลยเหรอกี่เม็ดดี10 เม็ดไหม
เบนเขาถามว่าเอากี่เม็ด10 เม็ดเลยเหรอ
Whoa, they're both looking at me like I'm crazy. The vendor asked, How many chilies? 10? Are you kidding me? No.
2 เม็ดครับ2 เม็ดครับ
It means 2 chilies. Please. Okay. I'm negotiating. 2. 2 chilies. That's a respectable, manly number of chilies, right?
ฮ่า2 เม็ดก็เผ็ดแล้วนะสำหรับฝรั่ง
Nicha is laughing. She said 2 chilies is already spicy for a foreigner. We'll see about that. Nicha. We'll see.
ได้แล้วจ้าตำไทย2 เม็ดกับตำปูปลาร้าเผ็ด
Okay. It's here. It looks innocent enough. Smells incredible. Here we go. First bite of a true warrior. That's... Oh, wow. Okay. It's happening. My tongue is on fire. My lips are numb. I can feel my heartbeat in my ears.
เบนไหวไหมหน้าแดงหมดแล้ว
She's asking if I'm okay because my face is red. I can't form words. Water. I need air conditioning. A fire extinguisher.
ของฉันอร่อยมากเลยสะใจจริง
Nicha is just casually eating her 10 chili version. She just said it's delicious and saji. What does that even mean?
สะใจก็คือรู้สึกดีมากแบบถึงใจเบนถ้าไม่ไหวก็บอกเขานะ
Molly explains it means satisfyingly intense. Like it hits the spot. Hard. Meanwhile, I am seeing through time. Molly says if I can't handle it, I have to say so. But how?
พูดว่ากินเผ็ดไม่ได้
กินเผ็ดไม่ได้กินเผ็ดไม่ได้
It means I can't eat spicy food. This is it. The most important phrase in my life right now. It means I can't eat spicy food. Time to surrender. G. Pet. My. Die. Crap. Water. Please.
โอ้ไม่เป็นไรนะเอาน้ำไปดื่มก่อนเดี๋ยวสั่งข้าวเหนียวให้
She's saying, there. It's okay. And getting me water and sticky rice. My ego is bruised, but my mouth is slightly less on fire.
คราวหน้าสั่งไม่เผ็ดนะเบน
ไม่เผ็ดไม่เผ็ด
It means not spicy. Nicha's teasing me. Next time, order it not spicy. You know what? That is excellent advice. Lesson learned. Never challenge a spice champion.